Oh. Oh my God.
Look at him. I might have said that that's all from the game.
Oh,
That's how good the engine is that runs the game.
that's crazy.